To get Google Maps on iPhone 16e, you need to simply open the App Store, and then in the App Store go to search in the bottom right corner, and then you might need to tap on this search field here, and we're gonna just enter Google Maps, and you should be able to easily find the Google Maps app. Let's tap on this cloud icon in order to start downloading, and after several seconds you should be able to have the app on your iPhone. There we go, now we can open it. Of course, we want to allow location services in order to, to make Google Maps work. So you want to go to settings. In that case, you want to enable location services, and then of course you want to make sure that Google Maps over here has access to the location. So in this case, we can choose either always or while using the app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!